I've been working about 55 plus years. Kind of hard for me to quit. Hi, I'm Victor Krack. I'm a machinist at Nick's Industrial. I started working here when Nick's acquired King's. I was looking for something part-time, and I was wanting something for a little extra money and keep me busy, more active. One thing I like about working at Nick's is Nick's would allow me to take more ownership of my jobs that I do for them. I've done a few other little jobs for them, but mostly just running the 42-inch Blanchard grinder. I've been machining about for 7 years. The best advice I can give someone for starting in the machining field, learn the manual stuff first. I know most of it now is going towards computer-controlled stuff or CNC stuff. You still got to know the manual stuff sometime. Outside of work, my interests are mostly drag racing with me and my daughter. I raced myself for several years, then she got into junior dragsters, progressed up to the big car, and I kind of vacated the driver's seat and let her drive. I actually like rather just sit back and be the crew chief now.
Working with Victor has been really good. I mean, he knows his job, and you can always count on it's going to be right when he's done. And
he's a real dependable guy. I've got some old Chevy trucks I work on, and he's helped me out with ideas and tools to work on those. And he likes what he's doing. That's a big plus for getting the job done and getting the job done right.
He's here every week, and he just gets it done. Keeps the customer happy and keeps everybody happy.